From sunny Phoenix comes pure precision. These most satisfying industrial machines and ingenious tools work effortlessly and feel like butter for your brain. If you like this irrigation method, drop a 1 in the comments. Cutting edges with millimeter precision. This workshop machine is seriously top-notch. Mortise holes drilled so clean and tight, you don't even need glue. Jupin CNC with auto tool loading and smooth shaping. Perfect speed for mass production. Automatic material loading like this. How many workers do you think it saves? Is that an RS6? Watching this crash test hurts every Audi fan's soul. Fish inspection so clean and precise. If you're squeamish about fish, you need to see this. Silicone teether for a watch, soft, safe, and honestly, pretty genius design. This truss cutting tool saves 2 workers and 3 hours per roof. That's real efficiency. Field geotech drilling. Any guesses how deep that rock layer goes? This idea made history in the wood industry. CNC wood carving this smooth? That bit's gotta be just 0.5 millimeters, right? Know the CNC code used here? You might just be the master of code. Hydraulic punching steel sheets. At least 5 times faster than doing it by hand. A robotic arm shaking fire. How hot do you think that pickaxe gets in 3 seconds? Battery production this smooth? Good Tools really lives up to the name. Elliptical pipes straightened perfectly, like they were drawn with a ruler. Major efficiency boost. This method cuts leaves 4 times faster than scissors, smooth like a laser slice. CNC wood turning for a grain shovel, but the detail looks like it belongs in home decor. The thermos front was machined with flawless precision, 0 adjustments needed. Softening leather with a recycled wheel, the inventor must have been an old school shoemaker.